Revit Auto, and I'm here at the Thermal R&D Exhaust Systems booth at SEMA 2019. On my left right here is Matt Wilkerson. He is the president of this company, and we're actually here because the guy behind the camera, Dave Gibbs, is looking at getting an exhaust system for his Charger or his Challenger, and this caught our eye. So kind of give us a little bit of history about your guys' company and how you guys got into sound engineering.
Yeah, well, the company's been around for a little over 30 years, started in the mid 80s and has grown now to the point where we've graduated from just doing Honda systems to now into the modern muscle, and that customer really appreciates the deep throaty sound of an aggressive exhaust, but also we found a kind of a niche with attacking the drone in the cab. So that's kind of where we separate ourselves in the exhaust world a little bit.
Yeah, drone is the worst thing ever. I mean, like having that throaty sound and having that muscle car sound is something I'm so, it's in my blood. I grew up with it. But the drone, when you're going down the highway in 5th or 6th gear and you're trying to have a conversation, it's like having one window cracked open. It drives me completely psycho.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what we've done here. We've taken a 3-inch exhaust, which is going to give you that aggressive, throaty sound, but we've also added Helmholtz chambers.
Okay.
And so what the Helmholtz technology does, or what these resonators do, is they'll cancel that drone at cruising.
So this device right here will cancel the drowning sound, the droning sound.
Exactly. So when you're on the accelerator, you're heading down the road, you're going to get that aggressive sound. You know? But then when you're just cruising, this is canceling, is bouncing the sound off and canceling that drone that you typically get with a bigger diameter exhaust.
Wow, that's awesome. So back over here though, you guys, it looks like you're incorporating factory OEM components to be able to retain the baffles that are already on these cars, or these new baffles, or? Yeah,
so these work with the factory actuators. So the actuator is this black part here, and so when you're installing the exhaust, you're just going to plug it in, and it's going to work with the ECU. So what that does is it avoids the check engine light.
Okay.
So you're installing your performance exhaust, but you're not throwing a check engine light, wondering if you're doing something to damage the system. This works, pretty seamlessly with the OE ECU.
Wow. So what you're saying is that you can have the best of all worlds. You could have the performance of having a 3-inch exhaust, you can have zero drone, and you can make sure that you don't have any check engine lights or anything that you have to tune to delete out because you're using factory components to plug right back in.
Exactly.
That is awesome. Well, I can't wait to beat you up on price about this later on this year after Dave figures out which car he wants to buy. And Matt, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to show this here at SEMA 2019.
Definitely. Thank you, buddy.
Okay, alrighty. You have a good one.
All right,
Thanks,
you
buddy.
too.